My beloved students of class 1, I'm happy to come before you with another chapter. I think you are well at home. You are enjoying at home. Let us enjoy with the grammar, junior English. So in last class, I have gone through some portions, and today I decided to go through 3 sections and 2 pages. 3 sections and 2 pages. So dear students, please without wasting time, let us start our grammar classes. You take your khata, pen, pencil and book also. You follow me where I am going and write if it is possible. Okay. So let us go to page Junior English, page 30. Are you with me? Okay. So in page 30 there is given a story. Story names Martin's Toy. Like you, a boy named Martin, and he was playing with toys. So let us, there is a story. Let us read from the book. Martin's Toys. Martin has a big cupboard full of toys. Some are new, but most of them are old. He will not get rid of any of them. The boy he likes the best is his clockwork train. The oldest toy is a teddy bear. His mother bought it from his first birthday. Martin also has a big crane and a tractor. These are almost new. The crane can lift the tractor right off the floor. So it's a story and given a picture you see in your book, you can see. So this about today's exercise. Okay, now let us, you can see the questions given below the picture. First story, then picture, and then question answer. So dear students, you don't mind because less space and it will take more time if I write everything here. I just wrote here the answers only. So you please see the question from the book and you write the answers from here. Okay, first question is given. Where does Martin keep his toys? Where does Martin keep his toys? So the answer will be like this. Martin keeps his toys in his big cupboard. So here the main answer is, or the answer word is cupboard. So here is given big cupboard. So with the question to write a full sentence answer, you have to write like this. Martin keeps his toys in his big cupboard. Okay, question number 2. Which toy does Martin like best? So which one? You also have some best toys. Which one you like so much? That is the best. Here. So the question, which one does Martin like best? The answer, the toy he likes best is his clockwork train. The main answer word is clockwork train. Okay, then third question, who bought the teddy bear for Martin? Who bought? Do you know? Yes, the story is given here. There is the answer available. Okay. So who bought the toys for Martin? Martin's mother bought the teddy bear for him. Here the key word or the main answer word is mother. Martin's mother bought the teddy bear for him. Okay, then fourth question. Which toy does Martin lift off the floor with his crane? Which toy? The crane can lift the tractor right off the floor. So here in this sentence or in this answer, whole is answer, but the main word or key word of the answer is the crane. Lifting machine. Crane's another name is lifting machine. So the crane can lift the tractor right off the floor or from the floor. Okay, then last question of this story from page 30. Is it true that most of Martin's toys are new? What do you think? Is it true or false? What? What the story says? Is it true that most of Martin's toys are new, or there was some old? Which one? The answer is no. It is not true. No, it is not true, because the question asked here, is it true that most of Martin's toys new? Most, maximum toys new? No. No, it is not true. Okay, so only 5 questions regarding the Martin's toy. Okay, I think that you already memorized these question answers. Still you have to read again and again. Students, remember, you have to face second term question, second term exam, remember. So you read and read and read. Okay, let us go to second page, page 30. Junior English, page 30. Okay, there we will learn to use the verb, auxiliary verb or be verb called is, are, was, were. Is, are, was, were. Okay, let us. So here I wrote only the answer, because if I write with the question, so it will not, I couldn't manage with in this board. So this is why I will read the question from the book or sheet, and then answer is here. Okay, page 31, section A. Fill in the space with is or are. Number one, this apple is sour. So students, remember, you have to find out the subject. Subject is plural. If it is plural, then are. If it is singular, then use is. Remember, here the use of is, are, was, were. If it is the plural subject, so you can use are and were. If it is singular, then is and was. Both are correct according to the sentence. Okay, so here answer is and are. These two sentences given in each number. So first answer is, and then second answer are. Okay, let us go to number 2. Dash the house old. Dash the house old. Here one thing. First, dash the house old. Here singular. I told you that if it is singular, then use is. So here is. And then next sentence in number 2, dash the houses old. Here houses, more than one. This is why you use are. Number 3, the dog dash barking. Subject is dog. So here written dog singular, so use is. If it is one, dog, is. Okay, then second sentence, the dogs dash barking. Here dogs, so plural, more than one. That is why you use are in second blank of number 3. Okay, number 4, the last one. Dash the egg fresh. Dash the eggs fresh. So in first one, egg, singular. So this is why you use is. And then second one, eggs. This is why you use are. So here very easy, same thing. Is, are, is, are, is, are, is, are. But it will be different when I will give you in the exam. Okay, section B. Now use was and were. Was and were. The same way, if it is plural, I told you, if it is plural, then were. If it is singular, then use was, because this section is past, using the verb past form. Okay, number 1 egg dash cracked. One egg, if it is one singular, then use was, like is. Is and was used in singular subject, with singular subject. Okay, number 1 second sentence, 3 eggs, sure plural, 1 2 3, more than one, so use were. Okay, second sentence, the girl dash skipping. Girl, one girl, this is why use was. And then second sentence, the girls, more than one, plural, this is why use were. Number 3, dash the orange sweet. The orange, here one, orange, this is why use was. Second sentence, number 3, dash the oranges sweet. Here oranges, plural, so you have to write were. Okay, last number 4 of section B, the cow dash being milked. The cow dash being milked, here says the cow, singular, this is why you write was. And then second sentence of number 4, the cows dash being milked. Here cows, plural, this is why use were here. Okay, students, I think that you got the idea, you got the concept, understood to use is, are, was, were, the be verbs. Okay, now another sentence and another section, and it is the last section. Okay, here choose the right word from the bracket. After each sentence there is given 2 verbs, is, are, was, were. So they are from according to the sentence, I mean according to the subject, you choose the verb. If it is singular subject, use singular verb, I mean is or was. If it is plural, then are or were you choose. Okay, number 1, C section, number 1, Barbara dash ill. Okay, here Barbara, one name, Barbara is. Then second sentence, but Anna or Anna dash well. Anna is also singular name, third person. Here also choose is, but here is given is, are, but twice you have to use this is. Okay, then number 2, the hens, here subject hens, plural, so obviously here you will use were. And then second sentence, So the farmer dash pleased. Farmer, not farmers. Farmer, it means singular. So you have to use here was. Was. Here both you have to use. First were, then was, according to the sentence. Okay, third number. The wind dash cold and snow dash falling. Here the wind singular was cold and snow were falling. So here where, because snow plural, used as plural. Okay, second last, I mean number 4. In the bracket is are given. Okay, school dash over. School singular, so school is over. And we dash going home. We, not I, we, amra, we, that is why we use where. We are here in present tense, that is why are. So we are going home. Last one, number 5 in section C. They dash glad. They means lot of, together. They, third person plural number. They were glad because the day, here day is singular. Day was sunny. So dear students, I have given you before as a sheet. I think that you are going through, and most of you have gone through more than once, and you memorized also. Still I will suggest you to read again and again, that you perform well in the second term exam, and sure there will have the exam in second term. Okay, dear students, no more today. I think that you wrote, so I will come to you with another chapter. Today let us adjourn here. You please be safe at home. No more today. Bye.